3 words I like to steer people away from when it comes to behavior is be careful that you don't target the behavior as being inappropriate. It's okay to say the word inappropriate, but you've got to say why. You can't just say inappropriate behaviors. You can't say insubordinate behavior. You can't say unacceptable. That's unacceptable. Yes, it's unacceptable in your book, because if you did it, your mama would have sent you across the room, right? I get that. I was never afraid of my dad. It was always my mom I had to watch out for. But if you're going to say that's inappropriate, you have to be able to say to a child, listen, stuffing tater tots up your nose is a little inappropriate for eating in public. That I can say to a child. But I can't walk up to a child and say, that's inappropriate, go to the restroom. Because now they're like, what? I got attention from it, so it's not inappropriate to me. We suffer from this in our entire lives. Remember that actions that we think are acceptable are always based on our background. Always, always, always. The way we're wired, the way we were raised. Don't ever forget that. So when you walk into a classroom, a hallway, a school, a room, or with one-on-one with a kid, and they do something that blows the lid off your head, you got to remember it blows the lid off your head because of the way you were brought up, not the way they were brought up. We don't live in their world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.